Hey guys, today's video is going to be my March Boxycharm unboxing. You guys know the drill. Boxycharm is amazing. If you're not subscribed already, I have no words. I have no words. I'll have a link below. You can just silently go and do it. I say this in every video, but Boxycharm is seriously the best. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, I have not watched spoilers. Got my box a little late this month, I think. I feel like it's kind of late because we got a huge snowstorm here in the Northeast. Huge snowstorm. Okay, ooh, I'm excited. This one's theme is vacation. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, the first thing that I see is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the Make Them Blush in the color Prime Vixen. This packaging is super cute. You guys hear Sorella? This retails for $26, so already you've paid for your box. I'm not a blush wearer. This is a really pinky blush, even though it looks kind of purple on camera. It's definitely pink. It's really pretty, but like I said, I don't wear blush. If I do wear blush, it's not like this pink of a color, so I probably will give this away. Okay, next is from Butter London. This is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, retails for $20. Get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat. What? And a 314% increase in lash curl. What? How do they calculate that? 314, how? How do they calculate that? 314%, huh? That's kind of, ooh, this is big. That's kind of a lot. Let's see. And the brush doesn't look like anything too special, but I will do a Mascara Monday episode on this. I love the way mascara smells. Next we have a product by South Main Beauty. These are under eye gels. Retails for $10. Under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. Comes with 3 gel packs. It says reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Wait, what is this? Brushes. Okay, this is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. This is the Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. Retails for $23.15. It's the trio, brush set trio. Step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl, go. It's cute. I have a lot of brushes, so I'm probably going to give these away, but the packaging is super cute. Last thing in the box, as usual, is a palette from Pure. I saw on like Instagram and Twitter that Boxycharm and Pure just had like a little influencer trip to like Mexico, I think. I saw that my girl Stephanie SMLXO, I love her, she's an OG, she's amazing. I saw that she was on the trip. So yeah, I figured that they would do something in the box this month. Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. Retails for $36. Let's check this out. Ooh, these are really pretty. Oh, I like these colors a lot, you guys. I really like these colors. The blue is just kind of like, meh, if you want to be a little crazy, but I really like all of the other colors. I am so excited to try this out. So that is everything that is in my box. I'm so excited for this eyeshadow palette. I am super excited for this mascara. Like I said, I am trying to bring back Mascara Monday. I just have no time to film videos, you guys. Like, it's crazy with my children and being pregnant and then my other stuff that I'm doing. It's crazy. I don't really have a lot of time. I'm excited for these eye gel packs, definitely. The blush, I'm just kind of like, yeah, because I don't wear blush. But I feel like any other girl would be excited because a lot of girls wear blush and I'm just weird and don't, I guess. So I feel like anyone else besides me, Sorella's talking. Yeah, anyone else besides me would be super excited for that. And then the brushes, I mean, I honestly have way too many brushes. We're gonna get ambushed here. Emily's gonna ambush us. You guys, she turns 3 tomorrow. My baby girl turns 3. Like how? So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed my head being cut off for most of this video too. I just realized that. I'll have a link to Boxycharm down below if you guys are interested. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.